The standard aims to equip the learner with initial knowledge and understanding to identify and recognise potential hazards and unsafe practices to provide for safe offshore marine operations. The standard was introduced last year as a result of employers recognising the need for a minimum industry standard of training for those involved in safe marine operations.
I think it was good for the industry to be involved. Having regulators and other stakeholders give us their input means the course is more universal and applicable, not just in the oil and gas industry, but also to renewables and international requirements. The standard is for a recognised guidance that requires offshore installations to have a marine responsible person. The whole purpose of that guidance is to reduce the likelihood of collisions, and putting your personnel on the training is hopefully going to lead to safer operations offshore. I think for the industry it means a more unified approach to the training. Instead of each company doing their own thing, we can achieve consistency across the workforce, and obviously people changing companies or working in different sectors, the training is also applicable regardless of which company or location you're working at.
The Safe Offshore Marine Operations Training Standard is applicable to employers all over the world. It's relevant for all offshore energy assets where vessels provide support to the facilities.